The 2005 Chaparral 254 Sunesta. There was no trailer with this one. It's been in our dry stack building for a few years. Could use a new decal, but that's nothing too major. Got a 5.7 Volvo Penta. So 2005 254 Chaparral Sunesta. This boat has got a 15-person capacity. There's 330-ish hours on this boat. Bolster seats. It's powered by a Volvo Penta 5.7 GI. Battery switches, dual batteries. Interior's really nice, no rips or tears that I see. Just came out of storage, needs a bath. It's got a head system, it's been using it as storage.